3D printed soup. It's got lumps in it. It's probably chicken. Let's just pretend it's chicken. I really like Star Wars. I especially enjoy the memories of my old Star Wars toys from when I was a young boy, and Kenner was releasing fantastic creations, some of which were in the movie, some of which weren't, but they were all absolutely wonderful. The problem with the Kenner Star Wars toys was they had bits, lots of little bits, guns and cockpits and stuff, things that basically a young boy would smash or break or tear off. So, a kindred spirit of mine, named Joey, asked if I could 3D print him some bits that he was missing from his B-Wing fighter. Now the B-Wing fighter is an interesting one. It wasn't an X-Wing and it wasn't a Y-Wing. It was one of the ones which was like a cross shape with a big canopy. It had 2 wings and some guns that came out the side. Now the guns are hard to find. They break, they fell off. So he's showed me the wings. These things are great. I love these. Just the dynamicism of them. He's still got the stickers on them as well. I mean, they're a bit yellow, but they look absolutely great. And the orange spots underneath. So yeah, he sent these across to me. And the guns are supposed to fit in here. They go under here, through there, and there's some pegs just about there which need to be attached to the guns. So I had a look on a few websites, and on Thingiverse, links in the description below, I found the guns for the B-Wing fighter that I can print and I can attach to them. So let's do some vintage Kenner Star Wars toy restoration, and remember the good old times before you had horses running up Star Destroyers. Fudge me, that was absolute shite. Let's give it a try. Okay, so these are printed out really nicely. They have been sanded down. The only problem was when Joey tried to attach them, these are the American ones. The American ones have a hexagonal, hang on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yep, hexagonal holes, whereas the European one had circular holes. Also, the circular hole ones aren't as deep as the hexagonal ones. So what I'm going to have to do is drill into these bad boys making it slightly wider and slightly deeper so that they'll be able to fit onto the Y-wing pegs, because what happens is these go in here like so. The thing fits up there, but won't quite pop onto the holes inside there. So, time to break out the Dremel and see if we can't improve that slightly. Okay, so that went really, really well. He's now had the guns attached, the holes fit in them. And yeah, they have turned out lovely, and they go straight in there like so. Clip straight in. Thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. I try and update once a week, although last week I was ill, so I missed it. So make sure you hit the subscribe and the like button and hit the notification button so you know when my irregular random videos get put up. So I'm going to try back to once a week now. Thanks again for watching. Links in the description below. Something about soup.